In this video, I'll show you how to export your content to WordPress straight from SurgeGraph's editor. First, you need to create an application password from your WordPress account. So log in to your WordPress website, and then on the sidebar here, click on Profile. Then scroll down to the application password section. Insert a name for your application password. This is only for your internal use and helps you keep track of what each application password is connected to. For example, I would recommend naming it SurgeGraph for easier reference. And then hit Add New Application Password. Then right below it, you'll see this box here with your application password, which is a combination of letters and numbers. You want to make sure to copy and save this password somewhere accessible because after you leave this page, there is no way for you to retrieve this password. After that's done, you can now export from SurgeGraph directly to your WordPress. So after you're happy and done with your content and ready to publish on WordPress, go to the Publish tab here. Then click on WordPress. And then enter your WordPress site URL here. Enter your username here. Important note, make sure it's the same username you use to log into your WordPress account. So if you go back to your WordPress site under Profile, your username is here. So make sure to use this one. And lastly, just paste the application password you created in the first tab, that long string of letters and numbers. If you want the post to be instantly published upon exporting, check this direct publishing box here. If you leave it unchecked, it will export the article as a draft. Finally, hit enter and you're done. So your WordPress credentials are also securely encrypted and autosave, meaning the next time you need to export other blog posts, your URL, username, and application password get preloaded like this. This saves you lots of time as you don't have to fill it up every time you need to export to WordPress.